Hello guys, in this video we will change the Windows display language. For this process, we first open the control panel. In the window that opens, we click the Clock, Language and Region tab. Then we click on the Add a Language option. Installed language packs will be listed in the window that opens. We click on the Add a Language button again. All downloadable language packs are listed. Don't forget that you must have an internet connection for this process. I will install the German language as an example. After selecting the language pack, we click on the Open button. After adding the language we want, we click on the Options button. The computer will check the compatibility of the Windows display language on this screen. With the Download and Install option, the language pack will be downloaded automatically and installed on the computer. This process may take a while depending on your internet speed. I speeded up these parts of the video. Once the installation is complete, click the Options button and set it as the primary language. If you want, you can specify a different input method for the language pack. When you restart the computer, the language pack will be active. You can support me by liking or commenting on this video. I wish you a good day.